So hey guys, this is a review on the keyboard Cosmic Byte Firefly CB-GK-18. So it comes in this box, as you can see, Firefly CB-GK-18 from Cosmic Byte, and you get this box, and inside the box all you get is the keyboard, and along with that you're going to get a key puller and two red switches. Yeah, this is a red switch one, which is slightly quieter, as I've already used a blue switch one which makes quite a lot of noise. So this is my review after a month of continuous usage as my main keyboard. So as you can see, currently I have it set on a twinkling setup of light, and it works fabulous. And in my opinion, at the price it arrives, I would say it is one of the best deals. I've gone through multiple keyboards, and this is quite the one. If you're not want to put a hole in your pocket, yeah, absolutely crazy. So this keyboard comes with perky RGB, macros, and all kind of features. Just one drawback is the wired cable. You can't unplug it as like a type C one, but the build quality on this is really good. It's a metal one. Yeah, it's a metal, and it doesn't flexes. As I'm trying to flex it, it doesn't flexes. The wire is braided, so there is no risk of you accidentally cutting it or something. And the typing experience, I'll tell you, it is one of the best. Yeah, it's really good. Just one of the major drawback that you're going to have it, I won't say it's a drawback if you don't bother that much. After few days of use, you will have a little sound from these keys, the bigger ones like the shift, enter, backspace, and the space bar. You're going to have a sound like this. I'll try to give you the best experience. As you can hear, the sound are amazing. The sound on this is really silent, as you won't like to be in a meeting and someone hearing you type all the time. So in that accordance, it's really good. And if I go through the Cosmic Byte, the RGB setup for this, it is one of the best one. Like if I honestly just go and do it in front of you all, yeah, I can easily change colors while I am, like, you can see me doing it and you can see it just changed. You have this preset, and you can make your own preset of different lighting experience and all. So yeah, for price of 2200, yeah, I got it for 2200. And if I go onto the box, there is no official MRP written on it. It depends on the buyer, but yeah, it's a really good one. Technically on the box, the MRP is 5000 rupees. So if you get a deal, technically I got it for 2125. Yeah, 2125, and it's really good. For that price, I have been using this, the Van, and it is the older version. Now it comes with, yeah, see, as you can see, it's the older version which does not comes with swappable keys. And for your information, yeah, it has swappable keys. Like you can put in OUTEMU red switches or blue switches of your choice, and it will work. My friend had this same keyboard and he spilled coke over it, and he changed each and every single key, and it worked flawlessly, like there was no fault. So in my opinion, if you want to go for a keyboard which is going to worth your money, like I'm not talking, yeah, the one things as before, don't want to burn a hole, it is really good one. As you can see, like it it's just the build quality and everything. You get kickstands, you get everything on this. So for that money, I would say it is one of the best deal. So if you like me to check out more keyboards, make sure you comment down below. And I hope you like the video. So make sure to subscribe because I'm going to drop more videos like these soon. Thank you for watching.